Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Mix with Lucy. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that, and after you watch this, please share it. The most important thing, try it. Okay, so today we're making Southwestern egg roll. I love this when I go to Chili's. That's what I like to get that. So I decided I'm gonna look for the recipe and I'm gonna try it myself. So we're gonna need flour tortilla. This is 5 flat tortilla. We're gonna need 3/4 cups of shredded cheese. You could use whatever cheese you want. It called for Monterey Jack, but you could use whatever cheese you want. Okay, this is 3/4. This is 3/4 cups of cheese. Okay, we're going to need 1/3 cup of corn, 1/3 cup of black beans. We're also gonna need 2 tablespoons of frozen spinach, 2 tablespoons of bell peppers. You could use whatever color, yellow, red. I'm using green. We also need 2 tablespoons of diced onions and 2 tablespoons of diced jalapenos. Okay, then we will need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're also gonna need cumin, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of parsley. I don't have the fresh one, so I'm using the dry one. We're also gonna need half a teaspoon of chili pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. And finally we're gonna need chicken. So this is chicken thighs. So I'm using 2 chicken thighs. I'm gonna cook this and put it aside. Then I'll combine all these. We're gonna put it in here, fold it, and freeze it for 4 hours, okay, before we deep fry it. So I'll be back. I'm gonna work on the chicken and I'll be back. So I'm back. I just finished cooking the chicken. So I'm going to cook add the ingredients, and I'll let you know. You need 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'll just put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it. So we're gonna start with the bell peppers. Put your bell pepper in, your onion and your jalapeno. I'll put all of them in. I'm gonna saute. Gonna let it cook for about a minute. The next thing that's gonna go in is gonna be spinach. Let's put our spinach in. And let it cook. So the next thing that's going in is gonna be our corn. Our corn is 1/3 cup, and our black bean, 1/3 cup. You can buy the bean, like just the canned corn and canned bean. Just wash it up. So our seasoning is going in: cumin, half teaspoon. So cumin went in. I put a half teaspoon of cumin in, and then I'm going to put some chili pepper, half teaspoon. If you don't want it spicy, don't put a lot. Just a half teaspoon. We're gonna put half teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of parsley. You can use fresh parsley. I don't have fresh parsley, so I'm using the dry parsley. So then I'll add the chicken. Mix it all together. Make sure you're on low heat. And then next we're gonna turn off the heat, turn off the fire, and then we're gonna take it off the fire. That's what it looks like. Then we're going to add the cheese. This is 3/4 cups, okay? And then we're gonna build. Here we go, mix it together. It's gonna melt in. This thing is so good. It looks so yummy. Alright, so now we're going to build it. So it's building time. I'm gonna take a little bit, put it in the tortilla. This is good for, I think, 5 tortillas, I think. So what we do is we put one in one in, then you fold it. Okay, as you're folding, you're pushing it in like this. The recipe calls for use a toothpick to secure it, but I'm going to use plastic wrap. So get the plastic wrap and wrap it, because we're going to put it in the freezer for 4 hours. Okay, so there it is. We're gonna make the rest. We freeze it for 4 hours or more. If it's in the evening, you can do it and fry the next day. Frozen, you fry it frozen. So we're gonna put this in the freezer, and then we'll fry it after 4 hours. I think it's gonna be so yummy. It's gonna be, I hope it's better than the one that I buy at the restaurant. I hope. Fold, 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 fold. I don't know if I have a toothpick. There it is. Second one. So here it is. It's gonna be put in the freezer, and after 4 hours we'll fry it. So our egg roll is frozen and ready to be fried. I'm gonna deep fry it. We're gonna deep fry it in low medium heat. We don't want the oil to be too hot. So it's nice and golden brown. The recipe called that I put a toothpick in, but I didn't have a toothpick, so that's why it opened. The mouth opened. So if you're doing it, make sure you have a toothpick. This one the mouth didn't open, but this one the mouth opened, which is okay. But if you have a toothpick, make sure you use a toothpick to stick in it before you put it in the freezer. So here it is, your Southwestern egg roll. I hope you try it. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bon appetit.